Is your face puffy, bloated or swollen? Maybe your face is puffy, bloated and swollen and you can't figure out why. Well, in this video we're going to be diving into why your face might be bloated, like maybe too much salt, sugar, stress. It could be high cortisol level going up, and how to reduce your puffiness for a more defined attractive look. So for a more attractive look, to a more defined cheekbone or jawline, we're going to be discussing how to get rid of the puffiness in your face. Now, from cutting back on sodium, cutting back on sugar, managing and staying hydrated, we've got all the tips to banish your facial bloating and bring your face natural features. So if you want a more natural feature face, this video is for you. Now, the first thing is water retention. Okay, too much salt in your diet can cause water retention. So sometimes when you have too much salt, your body holds onto extra water, which is why you have eye water. You might have eye water around your face, and that gives you that puffiness, that puffy look, which can also make your face look puffy. Salt hold a lot of water onto excess water. Sodium causes your body to hold onto excess water. So too much salt can actually help you hold onto a lot of water, especially around your face. So by cutting back on your salt intake, you avoid from all the processed food that you eat, all the ultra processed food, all the junk food. This can help your body flush out the excess water and reduce your face from bloating. So by cutting out, the key thing to take away here is to cut back on your level of salt, and therefore your body would not hold onto as much water. Now, the next thing is inflammation from sugar, like processed food, or even like poor sleep, which spikes your cortisol level, can cause your face to look swollen. If you're going through a lot of stress, and not only sugar, that can make your face look swollen. By cutting back on inflammatory food like sugar and refined carbs and extra processed food, if you incorporate like anti-inflammatory food like berries, like wheat, like green tea, and even some anti-inflammatory drink like turmeric, and also by fish as well, this can help reduce the facial fat around and bloating. Now, the third reason why your face is puffy and bloating is cortisol is a stress hormone that makes you hold onto extra fat around your face and body. Stress increases your cortisol level, and which leads to water retention and fat storage in your face. So the best way to manage this is to try and manage your stress level from doing yoga, meditation, going for a walk, maybe going to do an exercise, whatever the stress is. Try to cut back on your stress level. This will not only help you from your face looking puffiness, but you'll get overall health benefits. And then exercising such as deep breathing can also lower your cortisol level, which will make your face look a lot less puffy. Now, the fourth reason is allergies and sinus problem. I used to get a lot of allergies and sinus issues, but ever since I started to take my nutrition a lot more seriously and a lot more, eating a lot more whole single ingredient food, my allergies and sinus issues have just been non-existent or next to zero. So if you have a lot of allergies and sinus issues, this might also help as well. Okay, so allergy issues can also make your face swell, because you over here in your nostril you have a tube balloon here which keeps any extra pollen or extra dust coming in. That's why sometimes you're like, when you have like stuffy nose, your face is bloated. This could be part of the reason, particularly around your eyes. If you have allergies, you can manage them through antihistamine, which is one. If you suffer from really bad allergies, reducing the exposure to allergens can reduce your puffiness. And maybe with allergy season, obviously if you go outside for a walk, make sure you come back in and take a shower right away. So extra pollen, whatever it is, your face wouldn't look swollen. But the best way to manage your allergies, if they're really bad, would just be trying focus on your nutrition first, or fix your nutrition, or eat better food. That would also help as well. Now, the fifth reason is dehydration. When you're extremely dehydrated, your body owes into water. Just like when you take too much salt, your body owes into water. So a lack of water can also make you dehydrated. So the recommended is, which is doable. So lack of water makes you bloated. Lack of water makes you bloated. Funny enough, or especially around your face, because your body's trying to hold on to all the water. And drinking more water helps you get your body rid of excess sodium and flush out toxins. So the more water you drink, when I mean water, I mean proper water, not soft drinks or fruit juice. A lot of people are not even drinking water, and this will flush out the excess toxins. And the sixth one is alcohol consumption. Alcohol dehydrates your body and leaves you flaming and gives you inflammation, so causing your face to swell. If you reduce your alcohol intake, it can help you with it can also lower your face puffiness and reduces your face puffiness, which allows your skin to look a lot more refreshed and defined. So alcohol could be another reason why your face is all puffy. So if you cut back on your alcohol level, you will see your face puffiness go away. To fix this, you need to reduce your facial bloat. To fix all of this, to reduce your facial bloating, and make sure you drink plenty of water and eat a good balanced diet. A lot of anti-inflammatory food. You can also have some anti-inflammatory drink as well. And eat a lot less sodium, which you get from a lot of the processed food that we have. And try to manage your stress level through yoga, through Tai Chi, through meditation, going for a walk, going hiking, whatever it is you have to do. Can also help you with a more compress, and can also help you reduce your face puffiness. You can try using a cold compress in the morning to reduce your swelling. To also help you more. I would say to sum it up, the best way to reduce your face puffiness would just be to cut out the sugar, stay hydrated, get plenty of exercise, and that's it, guys. Thank you for another fantastic week.